Hey everybody, it's Molly. How's it going? Did you see ISA Presents Demystifying the General Meeting with the Nickelodeon Writing Program? If you didn't, please go watch it. It was a fantastic event. We have worked with Nickelodeon Writing Program for many, many years. We absolutely adore them. Not only because they're really great, solid people, but this program is really incredible. You get to be, if you're selected, first of all, it's free to apply. So you have pretty much nothing to lose. It's actually kind of a good excuse to write a spec. Why not? If you get selected, you're in a writer's room and you get to write and you get paid and you walk out with fantastic contacts, experience, a possible job, who knows? Check it out. So this panel, this event was about taking general meetings and what to do to prep, what to expect. It's chock full of fantastic tips. I will give you a couple and then you can go watch the rest. It's a good idea to get an idea of writers that you look up to, writers you want to emulate, writers who are writing shows or having careers that you look at and you're like, yes, that's what I want. Meet Marshmallow. Another thing, if you could ask the question, what do you want to write? What types of things do you like to write? Be specific. Don't say, I'm a comedy writer, or I like to write drama. Dig deeper and talk about really what you get excited about. I like underdog stories was one. So just really kind of dig deep and figure that out for yourself. The last one I'm going to give you. General meetings are not pitch meetings. General meetings, there's very low pressure. You are going in there to meet someone and to get to know them and have them get to know you. It might turn into a pitch meeting, like that would be the next step, but going in, take the pressure off yourself, certainly be ready, prepare, know who you're going to talk to, what kind of shows they do, have a quick elevator pitch or two in your back pocket. But really it's about getting to know each other, because a lot of times, especially in TV, it's just as much about your personality as anything else, because they want to make sure that your personality fits in with the rest of the room. You'll be working long hours, long days, long weeks, long time for a season of a show. So you have to get along and mesh with the other people in the writer's room, and skill sets, right? So if somebody's great at world building and you're great at comedy or character, like they want to make sure they have all the pieces. It's a puzzle. All right, well, I gave much more than I thought I was going to, so go watch it. It's on our pro tips page and on our YouTube channel. ISA Presents Demystifying the General Meeting with the Nickelodeon Writing Program. All right, have a great day. Thanks.